The another prompt was this: write a full blog post, then copy this, paste, upload. Absolutely, what should you blog post about this? What should this plan? Waiting for your answer. The technical AI content plan. The 7 days AI content plan: create weak, powerful content. This why use AI content planning? Generate content ideas, finding interesting topics, create video titles, write a blog post, create a YouTube script, generating social media captions, propose existing content, build weekly content calendar, improve headlines and description, brainstorm new creations. The creating content ideas is given example prompt. The this is the example prompt is provided. Now I will copy this prompt, then post. What is going on of this? The hat to 20 practical AI content idea, best from YouTube, best for blog, and best for YouTube, social media, blog, video, YouTube tutorials. This way it is coming. The best five to start with: 10 ChatGPT prompts every beginner should know, 10 free AI tools should try, how to write better prompt ChatGPT, how to use AI content creation, how to weigh 10 ways to AI can save your time. This is the another prompt is the repurpose content ideas. Then list the 10, 20 AI idea, multiple content ideas, YouTube videos is 5 short, Instagram post, and what is AI? Blog, YouTube tutorial, infographic, AI time saving tips, and ChatGPT work studies, free AI tools, better ChatGPT prompt, tutorial prompt, example, infographic, AI search. This way is given this 10 ideas. The Facebook post. After that, another prompt is the create a idea management. This is the capture idea. Write down every idea immediately. Create categorize ideas: YouTube videos, blog posts, social media, AI tools, data analytic, tutorial. These all are the 6 categories. Score ideas. The rate each idea is 1 to 10 basis. Audience interest, usefulness, search potential, and uniqueness and easy to create. The priority is the high priority is meaning create this week, and the medium is create later, low is keep it feature. Developing best ideas in the idea, plan, create, publish, analyzing this. Review of week is the content ideas, performance identity, best perform topic suggested, and new idea based them. The simple idea management templates is the idea, category, target audience, problem solver, priority, potential title, content format, status, public. This way. This much is data is single line. The another is the write a ebook. What should you ebook take? Idea management, AI idea management. The step-by-step workbook is given the data. Waiting for your answer. Please, a beginner's ebook, right? Is taken so much time. Student purpose. After that, I will give the student a idea management workbook is given table content this way. The total is the introduction, capturing every idea, organize your idea. This is the chapters table. This is the 14. The chapter 1 idea management. This way is total is given. This question and answers also. Every is automatic preparation with a single line command. The another was the create a course outline chart GPT. The idea management is completed. This is the increasing memory, more relevant answers. And another is the write a course module. Write a course module. The module introduction of the AI demand management and the, what is the idea management, why student need idea management. This way, what I can I do, and this way is given. Content ideas, research ideas, career ideas, problem solving ideas. This way, build your first idea bank as the idea category date note. This way, the total complete chart is provided. Please watch, so many interesting videos are coming in ChatGPT total, which you are learn. If you like this is very useful or informative, the please share your relatives, your colleagues, your friend circle also. Please comment which prompt is very useful for you, which prompt you must like that. Please comment. Thank you.